Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad meets the basics: iOS version, storage, and an active Apple ID. Once done, pick a trusted VPN provider with AES 256 encryption and a strict no-logs policy. Paid plans usually offer better speed and support. Next, sign into the App Store and install the provider's official app. Make sure to buy or activate the subscription within the app if required, because an account is needed before configuration. Open the VPN app and sign in. The app will request permission to add VPN configurations. Allow it so iPad settings can manage the connection. Choose a protocol: WireGuard for speed, IKEV2 for stability, or OpenVPN for compatibility. Pick based on your needs. Then enable the kill switch and auto-connect for public Wi-Fi to prevent leaks. Finally, select a server region close to you for better latency, or a specific country for content access, and test the connection. Complete setup by confirming the VPN icon appears in Control Center, and the app shows an active session. Then run a quick DNS leak test to ensure traffic is routed through the VPN. If speeds are poor, switch servers or protocol, and restart your iPad or router to clear caches. If the VPN won't connect, remove and reinstall the app, delete existing VPN profiles in settings and recreate them, and, if necessary, contact the provider's support with logs enabled for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.